Welcome to the future of AI creation. Today, we're diving into how you can train your very own ChatGPT model tailored to your unique needs. Whether it's for productivity, learning, or personal projects, AI has never been more accessible or customizable than in 2025. Let's break it all down step by step. Before we begin, let's explore the essentials. To train your ChatGPT, you'll need quality datasets, basic coding knowledge, and access to platforms like OpenAI's API or similar open-source frameworks. Don't worry. This tutorial is crafted to simplify this process no matter your skill level. Let's start by setting up the foundation you'll build upon. Step 1. Set up your AI environment. Download essential libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch, and create a working space on your local machine or cloud platform. This step ensures your setup can handle training processes efficiently, scaling with your needs. With a few commands, we'll have everything ready in no time. Next, let's curate your dataset, a crucial step in training accuracy. Your AI learns best when trained on tailored, high-quality data. For example, conversational data for chatbots or domain-specific text for niche applications. Don't forget, ethical data sourcing is key. By choosing the right materials, you'll craft an AI that truly delivers value. Configurations matter. Let's fine-tune your model for specific needs. Adjust parameters like token limits, temperature settings, and training epochs for optimal performance. Each tweak shapes your AI's outputs, improving its creativity or precision based on your goals. With careful tuning, you'll unlock the full potential of your personal chatbot. Training is where the magic happens. During this phase, your ChatGPT processes millions of calculations, learning from patterns in your dataset. Use monitoring tools to track loss rates and improve model accuracy. As AI evolves, even small adjustments here can make a world of difference in responsiveness and depth. Once the training concludes, it's time to test your model. Run sample inputs to evaluate responsiveness, coherence, and tone. This stage reveals how your choices in training configuration shaped your AI's abilities. Remember, testing isn't just troubleshooting. It's how you refine a tool that fits your exact vision. From here, deployment turns your model into a functional tool. Whether hosting on a server or integrating through APIs, this is where your ChatGPT comes to life. Picture it aiding in scheduling, automating tasks, or simply entertaining you with endless creativity. Your creation evolves into a true personal assistant. Congratulations, you've mastered building your own ChatGPT model. From setup to deployment, you've unlocked a powerful tool personalized to your life's ambitions. Remember, this process isn't just about technology. It's about empowering yourself with tools that amplify creativity, efficiency, and problem-solving. Your journey into AI is just beginning. If you've enjoyed this guide to training your ChatGPT AI, don't stop here. Subscribe for more AI tutorials designed to enhance your tech-savvy lifestyle. Transform complex topics into accessible skills, one video at a time. This is your hub for personalized innovation. Let's build the future together.